Ano, Ernie, apart from Ride London 100, gagawin niya rin yung ano, sa Wales, Dragon Ride 300. Alam mo yun, 320 kilometers. Shee! 320 kilometers with 18,000 feet elevation. Makikita niya yung lolo niya dun. Kasama si Ulysses. Well, in fairness, if you achieve such feat, that's remarkable and a memory to cherish. Ayan si Romeo. Mag-ride London ka ba, ore? Ayos. Kaya pala karga ka ng karga, ha? Yan ang gusto ko. Karga lang ng karga. Eto budol din to si Ninong
Budol sweeper lang ako.
Yan ang mga pinagbabawal na teknik. Sweeper daw. Ni Pastor Supremo, matibay.
Kakabigit mo, makakalbo ka rin.
Yung forest, meron dito, there's a one long false flat. So it looks flat but it's not. Ano oras ba? Bakit ang dilim pa rin? 8:05. It's cloudy. What? Our peloton training. Abort. I said this is a false flat, 3%, and if you are doing shifting in the peloton, it will be difficult. Yung iba hindi makakasabay. Like me, I'm waiting for my friend.
Sabi ni Alan, new bike is coming.
New bike is coming, ha? Alan, pre? Ilan taon na tayo magkakilala? Mga 3 years na, 4 years, no?
4 years. 2020 yata
Nagbago ba buhay mo nung nakilala mo ako? Na-introduce ka namin sa bike, cycling.
Nag-worse. Nabawasan yung alak ko.
Di ba? Masaya yun.
Nabawasan yung alak level ko.
Disiplina na, di ba?
Yung loyalty card ko sa alcohol shop.
Positive ba yan o negative?
Ano ko?
Mahaba na yung buhay mo ngayon. Dati, nagtatago ka pa ng alak sa sopa mo
Gilid-gilid
Ngayon, behave na.
Pasyat-syat na.
Pasyat-syat na lang. After the ride, sa train, may dalang flask. Iinom after ng ride.
Nakalagay ko doon.
Davao! Ayun, Davao. Pre, masaya ka ba? Nagbabike ka? Masaya ka ba nagbabike?
Okay naman.
Malaking tulong din, di ba?
Kasi parang benefit na rin.
Oo, lalo na. Yan si Romeo, taga Davao yan, tropa natin. Kasi kinausap ko si Kuya Joseph. Nabawasan daw yung bahay ng alak niya, men. Nung nagbabike siya, disiplinado na. Kumbaga,
Ako, may inom rin na
kung libre na lang, doon na lang umiinom. Pero pag may ride the next day, ay hindi umiinom. Oo, larang ano. Oo. Long ride, mahirap. Nakita mo yung mga lolo natin. Iba yung amoy ng hininga mo rin. Lapit. Laro ka na rin, hayop ka. Kanina pa kita inaantay. Ayun. Ay, salamat. We're nearly Cambridge. Probably around 20 kilometers away. Madali na oh. Ayari.
Lampas kami.
Ha?
Lampas kami. Sundan namin yung isa eh.
Touched roof. Mahal kaya niyan. Yung mga old school 10 years ata maximum ano yan. And then repair. Ang weather man. Diba? Oh, yun, oh. Nakakapogi. Nakakapogi. Yung mga weather. Sarap ng lamig. I think it's around 15 miles left, which is I think 22 kilometers left. Yeah boy, it will be the sun is shining, lots of cars now because next Monday is a bank holiday, so it's a long weekend. Yahoo! And it's nice and sunny. Tomorrow I hope it will be sunny too. We got Tony here, who's into cycling now. Tony used to be a drag racer with the best chick magnet Honda, man. Now he's into cycling. Woohoo! He's giving up a lot. No drinking, no smoking. In England or in the UK as a whole, if the sun is shining, see, everyone smiles. I think it's contagious because UK is not like a sunny country. Ruins. Kilometers, probably around 8 kilometers left. I don't know. Pagod ah. Hindi pa sanay yung katawang. Billboard. Chasing Cancellara. I'm chasing Cancellara. Ayan o, aming trangko for life. Ernie, talagang lumalabas yung training ni Supremo tsaka ni Ulysses.
Kaya lang, papukala sa Torque.
Biro mo, average niya 27. The city of Cambridge. But we're not in the center yet. Matibay ito si Ernie, man. Ang average niya for patag. Ito may 20 plus. Woo! We arrived Cambridge. It's bad for the eyesight. That's oh shit! One of the old churches. We're in the Sensa now, where the universities are. As you can see, there are loads of tourists and students. I'm craving for food now. Ayan. Busog, gutom. Tingin ko kakain ako ng mga volume. All the old buildings here. Grade 2 listed buildings, wherein you will not be able to topple it down, have another building constructed. You have to maintain this one. It's really old. Oh. Buhay kami ni Romy. We're alive. Half leg is done. Another 100 kilometers to go. Whew. That's I think that's Jesus College.
Probably not.
Protesting for the people of Gaza.
You mean they're like once you get a word in school scholars?
Maybe that's all.
They've got so it covers the history of Scripture and we dive into the likes of
I'm the official merchandise. Thank you. Ikaw, picture kita?
famous library and we can take away over to describe the planet.
Picture kita?
We are down point, so you get the best view you'll cover the Eagle Block just up the road there. Now, obviously, if you do check out the Eagle Pub, you'll cover all the history that. You make your way around the backs of Corpus Christi, you learn about the discovery of DNA structure.
1, 2. Go ahead.
Newton's discovery of gravity as well. And,
1, 2.
Stephen Hawking studied as well. And then you finish.
Yummy. Ay, nako, daig-daig na ako nitong mamaw na to. Ang laki ng pinagbago.
Basta hindi lang yung pacing, okay lang. Pag chill ride lang yun. Pag chill ride, okay lang.
Well done, man, Ninong. Well done, boys.
It's my first time in Cambridge.
Ang daming
Kano kang tuition dito?
Pagka UK, 9,250. Pagka citizen ka. Pagka
Mag-LL, saan lang siya?
Central Market, Weekend Market. Ayan o. Ayan pre, pwede na yan. Portuguese, Mexican cuisine. Hello. Oh, that's the beans, isn't it? Ikaw, gusto mo yan? Bro, you want something?
I'm just gonna walk around.
Yeah. Yeah, have a look. And then we'll sit somewhere. Yeah. Chicken salpicao.
Hindi matumba.
Ayos yan. May energy na naman.
Busog!
King's College. Eh, papicture muna kayo yung mga bago-bago. Tony, have you been here? Really? This is uni. College of King's College, I think. And then behind it, there's a river punting. Punting, like a sort of Venice type, but it's a small boat, not the gondola one. Yeah. Graduation dito sa Cambridge. Ayan. Vintage toast. Ano? Hogwarts. Ano? Ano yan? Mga Hogwarts. Ang mga tao dito, bahala, parang lahat matalino, men. Sakit. It's painful. Cycling is painful. The gate of Trinity College, Cambridge. Ayan, oh.
Right, cheers, John.
Ang hirap magsimula after a good long pit stop. Ewan ko what happened to me. Hindi pa ni bago. Ano. Yay! Sarap naman. Headwind, okay lang, mahangin. Parang naka-aircon kahit mainit. It's leading us the way. Pinapahinga ko lang muna kasi baka maumay na siya. Lagi siya nasa harap. Pero lakas. Ganda ng training ni Supremo tsaka ni Yuli. Keep it up. Galing, galing, galing. Oh, 3 o'clock. 3:30 and we still have 40 miles left. 40 60 kilometers. Load muna tayo ng pagkain. Kinatom na naman. Mahal. Blue beer.
tubig pa kaya?
Meron pa konti. Pala yung order mo dati, Ninong.
Bigyan ko sa ano yun, sa Amazon isang box.
Oo.
Mas mura, kaon-kaon.
Amazon. Sesame with coconut. Baby, Bahrain, Ernie, Habibi, 12 speed, Ultegra,
12 yan?
Team 45, Burden. Come on. 4 o'clock, 1:46. Budol. Meron pang lakas bilis pa. Woo! We've done 160. 1 mile century. 50 kilometers to go out of 213. Yun ang lamang leader, ride leader.
Bili ka na lang pa
It's already 5:20. Sheesh. We're already out for 10 hours cycling and resting and eating.
Sa likod.
Woo! Oras ba? This is the longest 20 miles. 30 kilometers left. And I'm really tired. Kanina 14. May 9 pa. Woohoo! Malapit na. Another. Climbing. Climbing is really nice. Less cars, nice environment, nice villages, beautiful villages, lovely houses, old classic cars. Ganda. Kahit Saturday, less people around or less cars. We're nearly there. 10 more kilometers left. (19:23) at 7:30. Nearly 8. Probably. Oh, buhay pa kami, men. Ayan mo, 150. Yan ang tinatawag na 150. Salamat. I can see people. I can see cars. Breakaway. We're back. I'm back at Regent's Park. Oh, it's already 8 o'clock. Yeah, 7:53. Well, 133 miles, which is 200, let's say 215 kilometers done. But it's tough. This is the longest ride I've done so far this year. And I think it's subpar performance because my endurance is not good, and I played from the very beginning until the pit stop. So, but I'm definitely sure I'm okay on the Ride London 100 regardless of the time. So, maraming salamat sa inyo for watching. Please like and subscribe and do some comments, and I will answer on my spare time. Maraming salamat po. Salamat. Eming.